Okay guys, so I jumped in my car to go and then this comes up on the screen. Malfunction. Okay, so you just use the arrows on the steering wheel to scroll forward. Brake lamp left. Alright, let's go check it out. Okay, so we're in the boot now on the left hand side. I'm just going to pull this trim off. And you can see the rear brake light here. So we're going to have to remove this cable, and there's like, just squeeze either side and remove it. And there's like a little locking mechanism here which you just turn, and then this whole assembly should come out just like that. Okay, so here's the assembly now, looking at it, and we got the brake light here, turn signal. These two at the bottom are the running lights, I believe, and that's the reversing light. Okay, so it's a simple matter of just pushing in, turning, pulling it out. So if you look closely at it, I'll just rotate it. The filament still seems to be intact, but you can see a sort of black, cloudy, sooty on the inside of the bulb, and that is, this bulb is gone. Here is a new bulb. Just line it up with the little slots. Bob's your uncle. Okie dokie. So, put the new bulb in, and we're just going to put the assembly back in, and it just gently sort of pushes its way in. As everyone seats properly. Stuck on something here. There we go. So same as before, plastic lock holds it in. You take your plug it back in, put the trim panel back in place, nice and flush. Okay, good to go. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up this video, so I'll see you next time, guys.